Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting called Twin Dorado. The casting is by Hotwheels, new for 2025, and it's basically a mashup of two different Hot Wheels car, Twin Mill and Deora. So it's got two engines, two V8s, that's the concept. It's not an actual car, but it's designed by Hot Wheels. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Twin Dorado out of its box, and the first thing you will notice, it looks like a modified lower vehicle. This like that. Looks like a front control truck. Forward control truck, lowered. And if you look at the front, it does have headlamps. No grill though. And if you look closely inside, it does have a central driving position. So they kind of thought that, make it more racy. Wheels, we have seen a lot of different Hot Wheels throughout the years. The paint job, again, nothing out of the world on the side, but if you tilt, you can see it's got some custom paint job on the roof and on the bed, which is again sealed to make it more aerodynamic, I guess. So is the front. The name Twin Dorado is because it has got two V8s mounted here, according to Hot Wheels. On the side, slightly flared wheel arches. I normally don't collect fantasy casting, but this one kind of caught my eye. Looks really good. Even in the paint job, you see it's kind of slightly messed up here, but it says Hot Wheels there, and these look like vents. Even the bed looks slightly aerodynamic here. See, coming to the back again, you can see there's a place for tail lamps, but they are not detailed. Metal base, which is very rare these days on mainline. Ow. So overall, well, it's on your choice. Since I'm not big on fantasy casting, if you are, I think you're gonna like this. But I do appreciate sometimes when Hot Wheels does this casting with like some good details, and they do look good. So why not get them? Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.